Dear students, faculty members and principals of GTTC, India is celebrating 79th Independence Day. So wish you happy Independence Day for all of you. So we are very happy to receive you. You are just shifting over from 10th class to a diploma level, wherein you will be totally shifting from a theory-based curriculum to a hands-based practices. So we were very much eager to receive you and start the courses. But what we decided is to start with the basic, the skilling activity within you, the courses offered by Agastya Foundation and also the Avishkar, which is inbuilt GTTC product. So I got the feedback that each and every student has enjoyed this entire skilling activity and also learned many things which you are not aware of, and also many basics which you are only knowing a theoretical one but having a practical knowledge about the same, and that has created a lot of curiosity. I have gone through all of your videos, contents, and also your the opinions given by the students. They are all very much overwhelming for us as a GTTC, and that is what the GTTC designed to receive the youngest kids of 10th passed out. With that, Agastya Foundation and the Avishkar, we will be starting the diploma programs. From this year onwards, we have started introducing a new curriculum, which is a revised one based on the industrial inputs and industrial requirement, C25 curriculum. So C25 stands for Syllabus 2025, which will have more of a practical hands-on skilling, maintaining the 70:30 ratio. 70% of the duration devoted for hands-on skilling, 30% devoted for theoretical ones. That is the basic which we are holding back to our grassroots of Denmark culture, the hands-on skilling program. So that we are reintroducing and revising the curriculum as per the industrial experts' opinion and also industrial requirement. And we have also reduced number of credit hours per each semester so that students can focus more on practical, lab-oriented, workshop-oriented activity, so that the hands-on skilling will be more important for the GTTC. C25 will be a very good time to have a hands-on skilling, and every faculty and every principal is very eager to take this forward. We are also introducing digital learning management system, because until now we had a curriculum, content, everything designed by industry and industry experts, but we did not had a single textbook which can give complete picture of what GTTC syllabus content stands for. So which will be a one-stop solution for a students to take this forward so that they can learn much better way. Will also be helpful for the teachers to teach the students, and also to students to learn prior to the teacher or you practice any of the hands-on skilling programs. It will be accessible to all the faculty members, all the principals of the GTTC, and also all the students of the GTTC, so that you should make a best use of this. And there will also be a lot of video content which are very much related to the course content, syllabus content, wherein you can see through how it has to be practiced, how hands-on skilling has to be taken place. All these things are embedded into a digital platform. And the textbooks will also be provided to each of the centers in the libraries. So with these things, government has given a lot of provisions to establish labs required for each of the courses, each of the syllabus, each of the labs are being established. And we will also be introducing the projects, concept of a project. Each semester, by the end of the semester, you should develop a project by a team of or group of students. So you have to present to the faculty or the GTTC so that it can be showcased to rest of the students or the juniors. So these kind of new activities, new approaches to hands-on skilling programs are being designed and developed in GTTC and delivered to the students for their future benefits. GTTC students are highly branded in the society, highly acclaimed by the industry people, because hands-on skilling is your strength. So that should become the primary motto of your target and your achievement. So with that, you can definitely contribute to the state's industry development, country's industrial growth, and contribute to the GDP, and everyone should become a very much passionate to contribute to this country. So that is what I request everyone to utilize this time and facility to make yourself a strong and robust human resource to the nation. Thank you so much.